everyone. Today we're going to play a game called Guess What Is It? So I'm going to hold up a card and you're going to try to guess what kind of insect is it? Remember, insects have 3 body parts: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. They also have 6 legs. So let's see if you know your insects, also known as bugs. What could this one be? It has lots of legs. It has a head. Did you guess that it was a caterpillar? If you guessed caterpillar, you were right. This is a caterpillar. I wonder if you're going to know this one. What could this one be? Thinking. What do you suppose this might be? Remember, it's a type of insect. What kind of insect could it be? If you guessed that it was a dragonfly, you were right. This is a dragonfly, and it has 4 wings. What do you think this is? It's black. It has some yellow. What kind of insect is black and yellow? If you guessed that it was a honeybee, you were right. That's a type of bee. That is a honeybee is an insect. What is this one? It has lots of lines on it, and it's kind of colorful. It kind of looks like a tiger, but is a tiger an insect? No. What kind of insect has lines and is colorful? I'll give you a hint. It used to be a caterpillar. So something that used to be a caterpillar. But then it grew up and became a butterfly. That was a tough one, huh? Okay, this is our last one. What do you think this might be? It's black. It has black. It has white. It has red on it. What kind of insect has red and black? If you guessed a ladybug, you were right. This is a ladybug. It has black, red, and sometimes white. So you can try playing this again with your family and see if they can guess what insect is it. Thanks for playing with me. Until next time. Bye.